Hello and welcome to Jackson's Job. Hi y'all. It is still way too hot to turn on my oven and I think you guys might be facing the same situation. So today let's make a cold refreshing glass of lemonade to cool down. I know that this is pretty simple and basic, but not everybody knows how to make it, and I thought it would be a fun thing to do since it is just blistering hot outside. Today we are going to show you how to make a single serving of lemonade. You can use bottled juice for this or fresh lemons. We always recommend using fresh lemons whenever possible, but we do realize there are times that lemons are not in season or you just don't want to go to all the trouble. You're going to need one large lemon or two smaller ones. And that all depends on Mother Nature. I cannot control how much juice she's going to put in a lemon. I'm really sorry, guys. Now, anytime I have fruit, I always zest it and keep the zest. That's because you can use it for any type of recipe. It stores really well. You can keep it a few days in the refrigerator or even in the freezer for several months in an airtight container. So don't throw out that zest if you like to cook and bake. There's so many things you can do with it. You're going to need 1 1/4 cups of water. That's 300 milliliters. To that, we're going to add in the 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. That's 45 milliliters. And then this is where it gets a little bit individual. You want to start out adding in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir until the sugar is dissolved, and then add a little more sugar, 1 teaspoonful at a time. 2 tablespoons of sugar is 25 grams, 3 tablespoons is 37.5 grams, and 1 teaspoon is about 4 grams. Now again, because it's Mother Nature, the tartness of the lemon will determine how much sugar you need to add. Add just a little bit at a time, give it a little sip, see what you like. Pretty soon you'll know exactly what you want. Now, one tip, if you are finding it very difficult to get that sugar dissolved, you can take half a cup of that water, that's 120 milliliters, pop it in the microwave or on the stovetop until it gets really warm, and then mix that together with the sugar and the lemon. Now, the only issue with this, you have to really know how much sugar you want in your lemonade, or you're not going to get exactly what you're looking for. That's why I like to just dump it all together and then just keep mixing it until it's dissolved. It doesn't take that much longer, and if you have a few undissolved crystals, it's not going to be the end of the world. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make lemonade. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy baking.